Today, things are going to be a little different from the usual. You are still going to see a cafe racer machine. 3 bikes to be more precise. All from the same builder. This doesn't mean he's the best builder in the world. But his work has some features that deserve our attention. One of those things that make us want their motorcycles. In other words, the essence of desire. Welcome to Racer TV. This beautiful project is based on a 1977 Suzuki GS750. It was built by Lucas and Sylwester from Eastern Spirit Garage in Poland. What I most like in all their works is the consistency of the lines. Classic, slim, proportional, and clean. Instead of making any radical transformations, they keep the main parts almost untouched, and change only the essential, to get this Japanese stance. But here's another great example. I bet you thought it was still the Suzuki. Isn't it? And that's quite understandable. Because they are very similar. It's a Honda CB550. This is the consistency I was talking about. After all, why would they change the style if it looks so good? In fact, these lines are so perfect that we should study them. The length of the gas tank and the seat is almost identical. Nothing new here. But what is new is this kind of headlight. Looks almost like part of the gas tank. And here's what I found. Applying the divine proportion, everything makes sense. Combining the length of these two elements, we get the perfect length of the seat. And even the seat rear cowl has the perfect length. The height could be a little bit smaller, but nothing serious. Another important thing is the way that everything flows. Not only on the top surface, but also in the bottom. Just like in the Suzuki GS. This is the kind of approach that works very good. I'm not saying it will work in all motorcycles. In a way, I think it can be played in most Japanese models, but not in the CX500. This is one of the bikes in which the wide headlight won't work. I've tried on Photoshop, and to get the divine proportion properly, this would be the ideal size of the headlight. Why did this happen? I believe the gas tank format is the explanation. For some reason, the Honda CB tank is more suitable to this kind of headlight. Just as in the Suzuki. And this leads us to one conclusion. The divine proportion is a great tool to check the proportions of our project. But the human eye will always be the right tool to find the perfect beauty. The more you search for it, the more easily you will find it. Thank you for watching Racer TV. And as always, I hope to see you next week.